Woo! This is it! Okay guys, here we go. We're going to go out and give my motorcycle a test ride. Break-in ba kumbaga. Babayan. Sobrang sikip po ng yun, kumasya sa gate na masikip. Yes, Han. Bye-bye. See you later. Let's go, guys. I'm so excited. Let's see if nag-record. Yes, it's recording. So, eto na, palabas na tayo guys. Sorry, hindi ako nagsasalita minsan kasi nagko-concentrate ako. And here we go, closing the visor. Let's go guys. Yes sir. Ang saya. Ang saya-saya. Yes sir. Iikot lang tayo sa country roads mamaya. Tapos nun, balik na tayo ng bahay. We are now at 40. Yes sir. Ang saya. Woo! This is it. The power and the finesse. Always respect your bike. Respect the power and don't overestimate yourself. And of course, when you hear, every time look at the speed limit. Now we are at 40. So hindi pa nararamdaman nung pa ako yung ano eh. Grabe. Yung shifter. Hindi pa ako sanay sa positioning ng shifter guys, pero there we go. What a nice and sunny day here in the UK. Redhill. Pag nakita nyo 40 with camera, so make sure you're following the speed limit guys. And malapit na yung lilikuan natin. Andun. Nakikita niyo yung stoplight. Yes sir. What a nice day to ride. Oh, it feels good. It feels good, bro. Feels so good.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
and we're seeing cyclists here, so dahan-dahan lang tayo, guys. And then if we see an opportunity to pass, we will pass. Shit, I guess that's my turn. I just missed it, but we'll see. Wala kasi tayong map eh. Nakakainis eh. Pero let's see where the road takes us, diba? Sabi nga nila, that's the essence of riding, guys. See where the road takes you. Bit of wet pavement here. What's the speed limit here? It's 40. Oh, it's a blind turn. Blind turn. Guys, I don't know where to turn. I mean, I might be lost. Let's see. Don't know where I am. Oh, it feels so good. I will have to check my map later on to see where we are. I think this is, oh shit, there's a, what a bump, bro. Mukhang familiar tong road na to, pero tingnan natin. Kasi as in parang nawawala talaga tayo eh. Hindi, I know this road. Pickett's Lane. So, guys, so ayun, let me do my review. So far it's okay, feels good, and yeah, handling's okay as well, although hindi ko pa siya mabanat talaga dahil eto nga, alam ko na kung saan to. Okay guys, figured out the way back. So kasi this road leads out to is it Brighton A23 road. So we're going this way, we're going back this way, and we're gonna go past the hospital, and yeah, there we go, and straight home. Di ko ta pa rin makuha yung positioning ng ano ko. We'll make a U-turn first, a successful U-turn. Ooh, there we go. Well done. So it will be the first left. Our first left, guys. Thank you. There we go. Sobrang sikip ng daan, guys. So watch out lang sa mga ganong daan kasi minsan blind corner siya, so mahirap makita. Anyway, my first left is coming up, probably. No? There we go. Well done. Well done, you. So if you see the sign, the other lane has priority in this one. And then off we go. So the speed limit here in this country road is 40. And off we go. So itong daan na to, madadaanan natin yung hospital mamaya. Although likod lang ng hospital, dadaanan natin siya mamaya. Pero kung ayokong dumaan sa hospital, daming sasakyan, daming tao. So we'll stay at 40. Ang hirap ang hirap i-judge nung speed. Tapos 40 miles per hour to hindi kilometers. It's 40 miles ang dinadaanan mo. So may change speed tayo doon, 30. So before you change speed, guys, make sure that you look behind you through your side mirrors if it's gonna affect the traffic or not. And if you see cyclists like these guys, they have priority. I mean, give them priority because they might serve at any time. Yeah, but there we go, a lot of cyclists. And then off they go. Tingnan natin kung makaka-overtake tayo. Guys, it's gonna be a chill ride back home following these motorcyclists. I mean, following these cyclists. Oh shit, doon din sila pupunta sa pupuntahan natin, guys. What's the speed limit here? It's 30. Tapos ikot tayo isang beses kina Jeff. Ay, kina Jet. And then oh shit, sorry. Gaya nga ng sabi ng ibang nagmo-motorsiklo, you have to have that sixth sense, and it's gonna be developed as you do your ride. So dahil bagong rider ako dito sa UK, I'm not yet used to the surprises, things like that. And remember, it's my first time having a 600cc motorcycle. So yeah, a total beginner. No? Mukhang walang tao eh. So guys, ito na, pauwi na tayo. Natapos na yung medyo break-in natin. So naka 10 miles na tayo in total, which is very 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 tiny amounts of miles. There we go. we're home. We're home, guys. All in all, guys, it was a nice ride. Very nice ride. Nagpa-fog na naman yung ano ko, yung helmet ko. Nilagyan ko naman ng anti-fog. So nilock nila yung side gate, but I have my waist. Voila. It's open now. So guys, yeah, overall power is evenly distributed. It was nice. It was very smooth. Handling was very smooth. I think I like this one better than the naked bike that I used during the exam, which was the MT-07. But the MT-07 is a great bike as well. But you know me, I love my mean green machine, Kawasaki Ninja. So guys, see you again next ride. Please like and subscribe. My channel's name is Avenue Boy Vlogs. I do any kind of vlogging, moto vlogs, any vlogs, yeah. So please guys, subscribe. Yung mga motorcycle rider dyan sa Pinas, subscribe na din po kayo guys. Salamat. And let's go in. Tingnan mo, oh. Parang pag tiningnan mo, sobrang liit nung gate. Tapos parang hindi kakasya yung motor. Nakalimutan ko yung side mirror ko. Ingat, baka magasgas ang motor. Tama na natin yung gate. So guys, yun na lang. See you next week.